I have a general proposal.
Okay.
Now that we're past the forming stage, we seem to be getting done with our business in half an hour. So we could, in principle, move this to 8:30.
Wait, say that again?
I said, now that we're past the forming stage, we seem to be routinely getting our business done in half an hour. So we could, in principle, move this to 8:30.
Okay, I see what you're saying, because we normally get done in under a half hour, so we can end at 9 but start at 8:30.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, I don't mind, but that might be new to a lot of folks that were thinking that it was at 8.
Yeah, no, I mean, I think we should put it on the community site.
Yeah. Okay, well, let's just quickly go through the items. The platform Antidote 0.5.0 and the curriculum 1.1.0 are released. I've done a decent amount of testing pre and post release. Seems good to me, but as is typical, we'll do a week worth of testing, and I'll post this to the I haven't had a chance to post any updates to the project management topics within the forums, but I'll do that today.
Okay.
But in my opinion, I think we have a go on relaunch. I can't imagine any significant problems cropping up that would not have otherwise presented like as part of the relaunch. So if there are issues, obviously we'll fix them. If in the next week, I would suggest spend some time using the labs, making sure that everything works properly.
Okay.
But in terms of issues that should be fixed by relaunch, I don't think we'll run into any of those. We always run into some minor issues, but usually those just get rolled into the next release because it's something like a typo or something like that.
Right. Yeah, I'll go through I think I have time tomorrow. I'll go through the site and make sure that,
and what I really should do, and I should have done this several releases ago, is compile a list of known issues, because there are several known issues. And I should publish that somewhere. I just haven't had a chance to. But that's basically it. I mean, like the next week I'll be in a decent amount of meetings, so I won't be doing much. It'll just be one of those things where, as problems come up, and there are other things on the launch plan that need to be done, but they're mostly, I mean, if you look at the launch plan as it exists today, it's mostly just making sure the new docs site is updated, which is not totally finished, but it's pretty close. So I'm not too worried about that. So I'll be just passively working on that throughout the next week. I've already updated. I mean, all of the links to documentation on the new site have been updated to the new docs. I got the new docs done enough like weeks ago to have the structure in place, so we could have the, post places. So that's all good. I'm just talking about filling in the gaps, because what I did when I migrated from the old docs was I just copied the old format into the new, and so it looks weird. So the structure is good, but the contents are kind of weird sometimes. It depends on the page you're looking at if I haven't updated it yet. So I'll just continue to do that. That's a really not a big deal. That's just something that just has to get done in the next few days. And then, if you look at the rest of the to-dos, it's just testing and deployment. So, or not deployment, deployment's done. Testing and go live. So pretty much, testing and docs. The one thing I might want to do, and I'm considering when I want to do this, probably this weekend, is spinning up a few additional servers on our packet cluster that are on demand to handle some of the additional like week 1 load. So we'll spin it up for a week, and then we'll spin them back down once things are back to normal. So I might do that, but that's kind of a non-issue. That doesn't really impact anything. It's just additional capacity.
Okay.
But other than those few, I mean, we're in like sort of the housekeeping phase where we're just kind of making sure the house is in order before we let people in.
Yeah. So in addition to going through the site one last time with a fine-tooth comb from a testing and editing perspective, do you need me to write up your notes as the blog? Do you need help with that?
The notes as the blog.
Your notes for the briefing and brief.
No, that's done. No, I sent you the blog.
You did send me the blog.
I sent you the blog, and I sent you the Netlify preview, and then later on I sent you the PR. Or I think I know I sent you the Netlify preview. I think I sent you the PR. If I haven't, I'll do that now.
Did you email it to me or Slack?
Slack.
Okay, I'll go look. Sorry, I missed that.
That's all right. Yeah. So take a look at that. Let me know what you think, and then I'll put it into packet pushers as a draft, and then Drew can take a peek at it.
Okay, sounds good.
That needs to get done probably pretty soon.
Yeah.
That would be under the NRE blog repo, obviously. And that is whatever the latest pull request is. 51, relaunch blog. I just sent it to you.
Okay.
And
All right.
the site tour video is in there too. And for those that are watching this recording, we'll be publishing a bunch of new videos as part of this. One of which is a new site tour. And we also re-recorded the sort of the elevator pitch video because the old one was very old. The old one was pre-launch, and so it was not only the old site but the old version of the old site. It was like the very first. I mean, the drop downs were made of pictures. It was pretty bad.
Cool. Anything else we should discuss today?
I don't think so. I mean, there's probably other things that we'll circle back on once we're done with the relaunch, but they're all post relaunch stuff. I don't want to get distracted with anything at the moment.
Okay, sounds good.
All right.
Short and sweet. I like it.
I will upload the recording as soon as I can.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Talk later.
Bye.